Assalamu alaikum brothers and sisters, welcome back to my channel. Inshallah, in today's video I want to talk about how the Eid al-Fitr prayer is performed and some of the sunnahs that should be carried out before going to the Eid al-Fitr prayer. Praying at the correct time, starting from 15 minutes after sunrise until the time of Zawwal, roughly about 10 to 15 minutes before the adhan of Zuhr prayer. Eid Salah should be prayed in the same format as praying in the masjid. 2 rakats should be prayed out and read out aloud with Surah Fatiha and another surah. The first rakah has 7 takbirs and the second rakah has 5 takbirs. There is no khutbah to be read if Eid is prayed at home. It is permissible to pray Eid at home with your family, narrated in this hadith. Anas ibn Malik, may Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala be pleased with him, once missed the Eid prayer in Basra, so he gathered his family and had one of his household lead them in 2 rakats, but there was no khutbah in this narration, and this is the opinion of major scholars in Islam, including the Grand Mufti of Saudi Arabia, and Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala knows best. Now let's talk about the general practices of Eid, the sunnahs of Eid Salah. Number 1. Performing ghusl and applying perfume is the best way to go out to Eid Salah. Number 2. Eat before the Eid prayer. The Prophet ﷺ didn't go out to the Eid al-Fitr prayer until he had eaten an odd number of dates in 3, 5s or 7s. Eid is a day of celebration, so it's best to wear your best clothes within the boundaries of Islam. Number 4. And recite the takbirs, Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, La ilaha illallah, Wallahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar, Walillahi alhamd. And last but not least, number 5, exchange well wishes, congratulate each other by saying Eid Mubarak, and send well wishes upon one another by saying Taqabbalallahu minna wa minkum. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala accept good deeds from us and from you.